dental implant is basically a new root made of titanium. People that can benefit from these treatments are anyone that's lost a tooth or more than one tooth. We can nearly always replace those teeth with implants.
I'd lost quite a few teeth which needed to be resolved. I put it off and then I thought in the end, no, I need to have something done. Everybody else offered the traditional method and then I came and saw Robin and he talked me through the laser implants.
Wayside Dental Practice is one of only a handful of dental practices in the UK that use lasers for dentistry. It means we see less bleeding, we see faster, neater healing and a lot less post-operative pain as well.
My mother had had an implant some years before and I know her face was swollen, bruised, you know. I had none of that. It was absolutely fine. Yeah, nothing to worry about at all.
For an implant treatment case, I initially see somebody for a consultation during which we'll have a look, we'll discuss their wants and needs, and then we give them the treatment plan. And if they want to go ahead, they then come in for impressions and a CBCT scan, which is a three-dimensional X-ray. And from that, we can plan on the computer exactly where the implant needs to go, what size will fit, whether the final tooth will fit in with their smile as well. When that's all done and we've planned it, we then get one of these guides made. And this means we can be much more accurate with our final restoration to make it look a lot more natural.
The care during the implant process was fantastic. Robin talked me through each step, so there was never any point that I didn't know what was going to happen and what was going on.
You know, it was just brilliant, brilliant service from beginning to end.
The interesting thing about the implant, it doesn't really make much of an impact on me because I don't notice it. And that's the real success of it. Most of the time, I don't know it's there. It feels like a tooth.
It was worth everything because now I have my life back. Yeah, I would recommend it to anybody. It's the way forward.